Get ready for the future of home cooking. Introducing Marko by Newfarm. We've lost our connection with nature. It's time to get it back, right here in our kitchen. But our modern lives aren't compatible with classic gardening techniques. Let's move forward, but not forget the past. Now, with design and the latest technology, we can have nature in our kitchen without sacrifices. Imagine a world where gourmet cooking is part of your daily life, where fresh, flavorful ingredients are always at your fingertips. This isn't just a dream anymore. It's Marko. Marko transforms your cooking and elevates everyday meals into culinary masterpieces.
Hi, I'm Peter, the founder of Newfarm. I began this journey when I was living in an apartment in the suburb of Newfarm in Brisbane, Australia. And I got frustrated buying greens in the supermarket just to have them go off in the fridge before I got a chance to use them. And I thought, wouldn't it be great to have these plants alive right here in my kitchen where I'm going to use them? So being an engineer, I got to work. And I quickly realised there was a potential for a product here that would enhance the health and well-being of many people. So prototype after prototype, I developed the technology that allowed plants to grow independently and self-sufficiently in any space. We needed a product that would get us excited about having plants in our kitchen. And my plastic tower designs weren't cutting it. And my wife wouldn't let them in the kitchen either. So we came to Europe and worked with German design company NMP Innovation Design to create Marko, the designer plant appliance that elevates your cooking. I personally love Marko with its painted steel facade. It fits beautifully in any kitchen and encourages you to improve your cooking with the best herbs. I'm really excited to be offering Marko to you, and I hope you'll back us here on Kickstarter so we can elevate home cooking together.
Now, Marko brings the gourmet garden to you. Fully automatic, it nurtures your plants with precision, ensuring perfect growth every time. Choose from a variety of plants. Each seedling delivered directly to your door is ready to thrive from the first day in your Marko. With the Newfarm app, control your Marko effortlessly. Engage with our community of culinary enthusiasts. Share your recipes and create new experiences. Join live cooking classes led by renowned chefs. Learn to harness the flavors of your harvest and create dishes that delight every day. Embrace the luxury of freshness and elevate your cooking with Newfarm's Marko. Support us on Kickstarter and become part of the culinary revolution. We look forward to welcoming you into our community.